Okay, so the first thing we're going to do is go to zoom.us/download and click on this big download button under Zoom Client for Meetings. Oh, that was a quick install for Scotland. Usually we have dodgy Wi-Fi. Right, now follow through all the settings here. You can take your time if you wish. Oh, got cocky. Thought I put my password in really fast there. There we go. Apologies for the creaky desk if you can hear it. Okay, so now once it's installed, we're just going to close that, move our installer to trash. And I'll close this just so you can see. And this is your Zoom client now downloaded onto your desktop. So you have the option to join a meeting. What you're going to do is select sign in and then just choose however you signed in. I used Facebook because I wanted to give away all my private information, as you do. Click OK. And then click allow again. And then you're now inside your Zoom account. And what you want to do is come to the top right hand corner, click on your little picture avatar, and then go down to settings. Once you're in settings, you just scroll down to virtual background. And I apologize for you having to see my not so pretty face today. Hello. Okay, so now you can choose a virtual background that you can select. So you can choose one of these. And then when you go to click on it, you will see this button to enable smart virtual background. Download the package. You only need to download it once. So click on download here. And you'll see it worked. So it's not perfect. So if I lift my arm, you see my carpet over here, right? But you can get a good feel. It definitely helps. And if you click on this little plus icon here, you can add your own image or video. So I'm going to add an image just to show you. I'll add this one. It's kind of cute. It's got a dog in it. And you'll see it's not perfect. It will show little bits, but if you're worried about feeling like people are in your personal space or you just want it to be a little bit more private, it doesn't look amazing, right? Because it's not like a full green screen, but it definitely is good if you just want that extra layer of protection, or you just want to feel a little bit more like not as intimidated like people are in your space, or you just want to have fun, right? As well, it's good for that too. So I hope that helps. If you have any questions at all, let me know and I'd be happy to help.